Alright. Guys, come on, you know, make sure my hands are clean here and get some ear protection on, for God's sake. Can't forget that, people. Man, I've lost a lot of hearing from not using ear protection in the past. So if somebody's coming from behind you, you know, you closing in on you, you ain't got much time. So, you know, you're gonna obviously pull it out of your holster and you want to turn around. You already might be too close to you, right? So here's a little move here, you know. You could do it from a ready stance like this or from the holster, but whichever or whatever. We'll do it from a ready stance, okay? Probably how most people try it anyway. So somebody's closing in from behind you, you don't know what to do, so you're like, see? Cool. Alright people, I know that sun's messing with the camera a little, so hip placement was right in the damn dead middle chest. You see the silhouette here. Sun's kind of messing with it though. One, I had 5 shots, so 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. And did I have 6 in there? No. Okay, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, wait, it was 6. Okay, people. Somebody snuck an extra bullet in there. Must have been the bullet fairy. Thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.
And don't let it happen a motherfucking again.